Baby, are you waiting for a toy? What do you want, Mama? You want the octopus? No. No. You want your alien? Baby, you want that one? You still want me to keep going? You want the sun? Frankie? Nope. You want your dog? Nope. This one. I'm not going through all of them. Okay. Here. Is it this one? No. She said no. Nope. You want Allie the alligator? Nope. You want octopus? Christmas time? Want your sloth? Nope. Want your pizza man? You want Gingy? Nope. Want your sushi roll? Nope. Want your little monkey? She found the toy.